Welcome to Hard Biblical Questions, exploring Scripture's tough topics. If I was the devil, I wouldn't come with horns. I'd come with lies. I'd start with the family. I'd break the bond between husband and wife and turn love into war. I'd distract parents with endless work and glowing screens until their children feel unseen, unheard, unloved. I'd whisper jealousy, feed comparison until brothers and sisters turn against each other. I'd confuse children about who they are. I'd distort truth, blur right and wrong so they doubt their parents, themselves, and even God. I'd pump poison through entertainment, make sin look funny and holiness look strange. I'd belittle fathers, mock their role, and convince mothers they are unworthy and alone until the home has no anchor. I'd erase family dinners, replace conversation with silence, and fill the silence with noise from the outside world. I'd redefine commitment as temporary, promises as disposable, until divorce feels easier than forgiveness. I'd replace prayer with scrolling, worship with distraction, and hope with despair. I'd turn every conversation into a battlefield so love is drowned out by division. And when the family falls, the community falls. And when the community falls, the nation falls. But here's the truth. If I was the devil, that's how I'd destroy the family. So protect it, guard it, fight for it like your soul depends on it, because it does. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like Short Bible Stories, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.